Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rehman. In this video, we'll be discussing about what cryptocurrency is, how to invest in crypto, and what is the difference between crypto and fiat. We'll be also discussing about the risk involved in the process of investing in crypto and the possible way to minimize it, if not avoid it completely. So without further ado, let's get started in the video. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency, which means that it doesn't have to be physically notes or coins. It exists in the form of data on your computer or your smartphone and can be transferred into the internet. This makes cryptocurrency decentralized so that there are no intermediates like bank or government involved in transactions. Cryptocurrency is also encrypted to ensure security and privacy, which makes transactions online. So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that is not controlled by a central authority. Instead, it is decentralized and powered by the blockchain technology. There are no banks involved in cryptocurrency transactions, and it is not regulated by any government. This means there are no middlemen between you and the person or the company you are dealing with, which means fewer fees and less hassle than transactional financial institutes offers. Cryptocurrency also offers anonymity. If you want to remain anonymous while making transactions, it's easy to do so with cryptocurrency. So how do you invest in cryptocurrencies? There are few ways to invest in cryptocurrencies. The most common way is to buy it, but you can also exchange one kind of cryptocurrencies for another. To buy cryptocurrency through an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, you'll need to set up an account with one of their exchange and link your bank account or credit card. There may also be fees charged for the purchases made through the platform or currency conversion services. The amount you pay will depend on how much money is being transferred, what type of payment method is being used, and which country both parties resides in. After verifying your identity by providing documents such as proof that you are over 18 years old and proof that you live at the address where your bank account was opened, you will then have the access to your account or the order book. This was a very basic understanding of how to buy cryptocurrency online. We'll have a detailed discussion and a detailed video on how to buy cryptocurrencies on multiple platforms in the future video. So before we move ahead in the video, we also need to understand what is the difference between cryptocurrency and fiat currency. Cryptocurrency and fiat currency are the two types of money that can be used to purchase goods and services. While both are considered types of currencies, there are significant difference between the two. Fiat currency is a currency that a government has declared to be a legal tender, but it is not backed by a physical commodity. The value of fiat currency is delivered from the relationship between the supplier and the demand rather than the value of gold or other precious metal. Since 2009, cryptocurrencies have been developed as an alternative option to fiat currencies on account of their decentralization nature. They allow users to transfer funds without going through traditional middlemen like banks or PayPal, which charges fees. Cryptocurrencies also offer more anonymity than traditional form. So how can you protect and access your cryptocurrencies? So you have finally decided to start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Good for you. There are a few ways that you can store your digital cash depending on how much security is important for you. First off, wallets are where cryptocurrencies are stored. Cryptocurrencies wallet can be found on a computer or mobile devices through an app store. It can be also found as an hardware device such as USB drive or an external hard drive, a hard wallet, or even stored on a cryptocurrency exchange if it supports more than one type of cryptocurrencies. So what are the risks to your investments and how you can mitigate them? If you are new to cryptocurrency, the best way to protect your investment is by doing thorough research and having a plan in place before making an investment. Let's discuss some of the tips that will help you to stay safe. Research the technology behind a cryptocurrency before investing. Be aware of its strengths and weaknesses, as well as what makes it different from another cryptocurrencies on the market. If possible, find out who developed it and whether they have any experience with the previous projects that were successful or not so successful. Find out where the currencies will be traded if it becomes popular enough for an exchange listing. This is essential for knowing how much profit potential there might be in holding your coin rather than selling them immediately after buying into them at their ICO, initial coin offering stage. In general, exchanges are safe than P2P, peer-to-peer transactions, because they use escrow services to protect buyers from fraudsters trying to sell fake coins created by themselves. Protect your identity by staying anonymous online and offline. Back up your computer or your phone frequently. Keep an eye on who has access to your computer or your phone. Make sure someone else have access for that as well, just in case something happens. So concluding this video, there are different aspects to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology that we didn't cover in this particular video. My goal was simply to give you an overview of what it is, why people invest in it, what risks there are, and how you can protect yourself from them. Hope you find this video insightful. If for any reason you like this video, do consider subscribing, like my channel, and see you in the next video.